Welcome to Startup Sparks. Today we're diving into the fascinating story of Leonid Radvinsky, the secretive billionaire who turned OnlyFans into one of the most controversial and profitable platforms in the digital world. From a struggling subscription service to a multi-billion-dollar empire, this is the rise of OnlyFans. Who is Leonid Radvinsky, the mysterious entrepreneur? Leonid Radvinsky is not your typical tech billionaire. Born in Ukraine and raised in the US, he built his fortune in the online entertainment and adult content industry. Before OnlyFans, he was already a millionaire from investing in adult websites and digital payment platforms. But Radvinsky didn't just invest in adult content. He had a vision for something bigger, a platform that allowed creators to monetize directly from their fans. The origins of OnlyFans, a bold idea. OnlyFans was originally founded in 2016 by British entrepreneur Tim Stokely. The idea was simple, a subscription-based platform where creators could earn money directly from their followers by offering exclusive content. At first, OnlyFans was mainly used by fitness trainers, musicians, and influencers. But soon, the adult industry discovered its potential, and that's when things exploded. Leonid Radvinsky takes over, a game-changing move. In 2018, Leonid Radvinsky saw an opportunity. He acquired a majority stake in OnlyFans and shifted the company's focus. Under his leadership, OnlyFans embraced adult content creators, giving them a safe and profitable space to interact with their fans. With this bold move, OnlyFans became the go-to platform for models, influencers, and entertainers looking to monetize their content without relying on traditional media. The explosive growth of OnlyFans. By 2020, OnlyFans had become a cultural phenomenon. The COVID-19 pandemic forced many artists, entertainers, and even mainstream celebrities to explore new income streams. Big names like Cardi B, Bella Thorne, and Tyga joined the platform, bringing even more mainstream attention. By 2021, OnlyFans had over 130 million users and had paid creators more than $5 billion. How OnlyFans makes money? The subscription model. OnlyFans operates on a simple but highly effective business model. Creators set their own subscription prices. Fans pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content. OnlyFans takes a 20% commission from creator earnings. This model ensures that creators keep most of their earnings while OnlyFans makes billions in transaction fees. Controversy and challenges. A love-hate relationship with banks. Despite its success, OnlyFans has faced intense criticism. Many financial institutions and advertisers refuse to work with platforms associated with adult content. In 2021, OnlyFans shocked the world when it announced a ban on explicit content, only to reverse the decision after major backlash from creators. These challenges highlight the constant battle OnlyFans faces, balancing mainstream acceptance while staying true to its creator base. The future of OnlyFans, beyond adult content? Under Leonid Radvinsky's leadership, OnlyFans is now trying to expand beyond adult content. The platform is investing in new areas like fitness, cooking, and education, trying to compete with platforms like Patreon and YouTube. But can OnlyFans truly rebrand itself, or will it always be known for its adult content roots? Only time will tell. Conclusion: the legacy of Leonid Radvinsky and OnlyFans. Leonid Radvinsky took a small subscription platform and turned it into a billion-dollar empire. Love it or hate it, OnlyFans has changed the creator economy forever, giving power back to content creators and challenging traditional entertainment industries. What do you think about OnlyFans' impact on the digital world? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Startup Sparks for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating startups. See you in the next episode.